Alright, what is up guys? We're going to be showing you guys how we make music videos just like these ones, super quick. We're going to be showing you guys how to do them in under 10 minutes. Showing you guys how you guys can bust down high quality visual effects overnight. We don't want to be wasting any more time. So we're going to be showing you the quickest method and the best way we can pump out these visual effects. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we actually use Premiere because it's quicker. We're actually just going to use that to chop up some of this. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and drop our footage in Premiere Pro. And then all we're actually going to do is go ahead and stack the footage like this. And it's going to make it super easy for us to sync. It's going to basically do it automatically. So we're going to bring this down. And then you can highlight them. And then hit synchronize. And that'll line them up with the first track. And sometimes it doesn't work. I think this is just a little behind the scenes clip. Yeah, this isn't even have lyrics on it. But you can see how these stacked, and then you can kind of make the cuts as you see fit. And then once we have it lined up like that, you can do that with all the clips, just stack them all up, and then you can go ahead and unlink all these extra clips. Then you can go ahead and delete that. And then once you have all your footage out, like lined up, all the clips you want, that's kind of what I did here. I just kind of chopped them out, picked the best ones, picked the ones I liked that helped us tell the story. Next thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and CapCut. And we usually find like one or two effects that we really like. So in this one we found like ink transition that we made to look like blood and like lean and stuff. And then there's this crop transition right here. Decided to go with like very similar effects and transition to kind of keep the vibe across. And we really just like went with like the beat of the song and stuff like that. You can kind of see that here. Just some little extra stuff to kind of help keep the energy on like the hits of the song when it does feel a little bit more gritty, and like the lyrics. These are to like complement the lyrics and stuff, so anytime they talk about like, I don't know, blood or like killing or anything like that. Quite literally. And then so, you know, but not all effects have to go like that. In here is actually pretty dope though, because they do have like all these different video effects. And see, so these are some of the ones that I like to use. They help add like a lot of energy. I feel like a lot of these are too cheesy, but used right and used minimally, like they can be really good. Like we use this for some of the lyric videos and stuff like that. Another thing we do is we can go ahead and add captions too. So a lot of times we'll go in and we'll hit auto captions, auto generate. And so we can go into templates as well, and they have some really sick ones. I like to pick the ones with like the single words like this. They tend to pop a little more, like this one. Let's see. Let's do it. My love will never be the same, so I'm thugging while it's fucking Cupid. Knock that shit off, bitch. I run it in and get that right. And then so that's kind of how we got the effect. We kind of made it bigger, and then we can kind of crop the guy out. But we're not going to be going into like those special effects. If you guys want some more deeper tutorials on stuff like that, we definitely have a lot of videos like that up on the channel. But that's pretty much it, you know what I mean? That's how we're chopping them up so quickly. We do them like overnight, and we just like, we film it, chop it up, throw it in there, sync it, get the best footage, and then start running through and just find like some similar effects that really help like portray the vibe that we were going for with the aesthetic. Because you can see we shot the video all dark, and so it really has that kind of like grunge aesthetic. You know, keep it my visual, but you know the vibes. If you guys like this video, hope you guys are doing well in 2025, and good luck out there.